Best Sport Motorcycles 2025, Triumph Speed Triple 1200 RR Breitling Limited Edition. Triumph Motorcycles has taken the world of sport motorcycles by storm with the unveiling of the 2025 Speed Triple 1200 RR Breitling Limited Edition. This exclusive model, limited to just a select number of units worldwide, is a testament to the collaboration between Triumph and luxury watchmaker Breitling, combining high-performance engineering with premium design elements. The heart of the Triumph Speed Triple 1200 RR Breitling Limited Edition is its powerful 1,160 cubic centimeters triple engine. Delivering a formidable 178 horsepower and 92 lb-ft of torque, this engine ensures exhilarating acceleration and a thrilling riding experience. The motorcycle's performance is further enhanced by a lightweight chassis and advanced suspension system, featuring fully adjustable Öhlins front and rear suspension for optimal handling and ride comfort. The Speed Triple 1200 RR Breitling Limited Edition exemplifies Triumph's dedication to innovation, performance, and craftsmanship, said Nick Bloor, CEO of Triumph Motorcycles. This collaboration with Breitling elevates the Speed Triple to new heights, offering an unparalleled riding experience paired with luxurious design. Visually, the Speed Triple 1200 RR Breitling Limited Edition stands out with its bespoke paint scheme and premium finishes. The bike features a stunning combination of deep metallic blue and jet black, accented with Breitling's iconic logo and signature design elements. Each unit is individually numbered, underscoring its exclusivity and collectible nature. The attention to detail extends to the cockpit, where a unique Breitling branded TFT display provides essential ride information with a touch of sophistication. Rider comfort and control are paramount in this limited edition model. Ergonomic enhancements include a sculpted seat, low clip-on handlebars, and strategically placed foot pegs, ensuring a comfortable and commanding riding position. The motorcycle also boasts advanced rider aids such as cornering ABS, traction control, and multiple riding modes, allowing riders to tailor the bike's performance to their preferences and road conditions. The integration of cutting-edge technology and luxury craftsmanship has garnered praise from industry experts and enthusiasts alike. The Speed Triple 1200 RR Breitling Limited Edition is a masterpiece that merges Triumph's engineering prowess with Breitling's luxurious design, remarked motorcycle journalist Lisa Chen. It's a sport motorcycle that not only performs exceptionally but also exudes style and exclusivity. Enthusiasts eagerly anticipate the arrival of the Triumph Speed Triple 1200 RR Breitling Limited Edition at dealerships, with many expecting this model to become a highly sought-after collector's item. With its blend of high-performance engineering, advanced technology, and luxurious design, the Speed Triple 1200 RR Breitling Limited Edition sets a new benchmark in the sport motorcycle segment, reaffirming Triumph's position as a leader in the industry.